Hello, dear students. Some of you have asked question about how to run the program. The program doesn't work, or I couldn't run the program. Um, well, you can reinstall the program again. This is a solution. Go to this website and download C-Free version 4. This is the version which is free. You can local download, alright, and install it. Okay, and what you're gonna do after installing the program is you're not just gonna open it like this, but you're gonna right click on the program and run as administrator. Run as administrator. Yes, now it shall work fine. So here's a program. Include standard input output.h. Alright, then main function, then open the brackets. You can close it with semicolon and just keep it like that. Then for example, let's print f function to see something on the screen as we have explained earlier. Hello, for example. Hello. Yeah, and click on F5 from your computer. Now we have the word on the screen. You just can put /n to be in a new line. Hello. You can click here, run, show this green icon. Also it works. I'm using Windows 7 64-bit. And there's no problem. Alright. You can also make something else. Right click on the program, compatibility. Maybe if you have Windows XP, run the program compatible mode for Windows XP. So you have many different. You can click Windows 7, for example. Apply, and then click. Right click. Then it shall also work. No problem. It works. Okay. So you can do either these, make it compatible for Windows 7, or just it will be automatically compatible with Windows 7 if you have Windows 7. Okay, but you can do it, no problem. And you can close it again, and then you can open it again. Okay, I hope this solved your problem. I'm here to teach you and solve your problems. No problem, we are here together to learn and improve the quality of education. See ya!